What if you could use sound to silence sound? It might seem counterintuitive, but that's exactly what groundbreaking research in sound therapy is revealing about tinnitus relief. Welcome to Vibes AI, where we explore the fascinating intersection of sound and healing. Today, we're diving into the science behind how specific sound frequencies can provide relief to those experiencing tinnitus, that persistent ringing or buzzing in the ears that affects millions worldwide. Let's explore three key scientific mechanisms that make sound therapy effective for tinnitus management. First, there's masking, where external sounds effectively cover or distract from the internal tinnitus sound. Recent research shows that white noise, covering frequencies from 1,000 to 10,000 hertz, can be particularly effective at providing immediate relief. Even more fascinating is the process of habituation, where we actually retrain the brain to ignore the tinnitus sound. This isn't just about distraction, it's about neuroplasticity, our brain's remarkable ability to adapt and change. When combined with cognitive behavioral techniques, this approach helps the brain learn to filter out unwanted sound. The science gets even more interesting when we look at neuromodulation. This technique directly stimulates the auditory system to reduce tinnitus perception. A groundbreaking 2018 study found that 72% of patients reported reduced symptoms just after 30 minutes of high-frequency sound therapy. One particularly promising approach involves amplitude-modulated sounds, or AM sounds. Research published in 2017 demonstrated that 10 Hz AM sounds were especially effective at suppressing tinnitus loudness. At Vibes AI, we've incorporated these scientific findings into our latest audio track. We've carefully calibrated specific frequency ranges from 900 to 3200 Hz, 1000 to 10,000 Hz, and 2500 to 5000 Hz, based on clinical research showing their effectiveness on tinnitus management. As part of our commitment to advancing this field, we invite you to participate in our research by taking a brief survey before and after listening to our Tinnitus Relief track. Your experience helps us understand how these specific frequencies affect tinnitus symptoms and contributes to the growing body of evidence in sound therapy research. For optimal results, we recommend using high-quality headphones or a surround sound speaker and maintaining consistent daily practice. Remember, while immediate relief is possible, the most significant benefits come from regular, sustained use of sound therapy. Subscribe to our channel for access to our complete collection of restorative audio tracks and join us in exploring the remarkable potential of sound therapy. Become a Vibes AI Plus subscriber on Apple Podcasts. Get ad-free, early access to our 30 and 60-minute sessions designed to boost your cognitive health. Try it out today with our 3-day free trial. Not on Apple Podcasts? No worries. Hit the link in our show notes and get in on the vibes.